Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare a mutton curry. Mutton curry I will be using papaya and potatoes along with the mutton. And the ingredients that we require to prepare this curry are mutton. I have taken one whole papaya. This is 300 grams mutton and one whole papaya, raw papaya. 3 potatoes cut into big pieces. Onion, I have chopped 3 onions, sliced them. 2 red chilies, dried red chilies, bay leaves. Here I have garam masala, and here I have made a paste. I have made this paste with ginger, garlic, cumin seeds, coriander seeds and black pepper powder, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and we'll cook all this. We'll actually pressure cook this with oil and water. So now let's start cooking. To enhance the taste a little bit, we'll also add tomatoes, and to garnish it we'll add coriander leaves. So I'll heat a pressure cooker and I'm adding mustard oil to this. The oil is spread. Once it is heated, we are going to add the garam masala to it. And the dried red chili. The bay leaf. Sliced onions. Once the onion becomes a little goldenish in color, we'll add the spice paste that we have made. Once again I'm telling you, I have added coriander seeds, cumin seeds, ginger, garlic and black pepper. Added little water and made into a fine paste. We'll add salt, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. Now we'll stir it so that all the spices mix well. Once the spices are mixed well, we'll add the tomatoes. And we'll will again cook it for some time. Once the tomato gets cooked little bit, we are going to add the mutton. We'll stir everything together. Once the mutton is well coated with the spices, we'll add the potatoes. As you can see, I have cut one potato into 4 pieces. Again, we will stir it well so that the potatoes are well coated with the spices. Now the potatoes are all well coated, we'll add the papaya. Now we'll stir all together. Once the spices are well coated, we'll add sufficient water to it. Mix everything again. And we'll pressure cook this for near about 4 whistles. We'll cook the curry for 4 whistles, then we'll open the pressure cooker. After 4 whistles, we'll remove the extra pressure from the cooker and we will open the pressure cooker. We'll check whether it's cooked or not. Yeah, it's done. Our curry is ready. We'll add the coriander leaves. A very delicious mutton curry with potato and papaya is now ready. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel for more of my videos, and you can also visit my website www.susanrecipes.com for more simple and easy recipes. Thanks for watching. See you soon.